I've got a Wantable unboxing. Stay tuned if you want to see what I have. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Michelle from Mascara to Midnight. Today I have a Wantable unboxing for you. I love clothing box hauls because someone else does the shopping for me. I'm a busy mom. I don't have time to go shopping. I hate trying on clothes. I never find anything that looks good. So I just sit back and let someone else pick out the things they think will look good on me. I try them on and then I decide. And the best of both worlds, you help me decide. And that's what you're going to do for me today. I'm going to show you what I got and you're going to tell me what to keep. So stick around and here we go. Here we have a little gray sweater. Super soft. That's definitely one thing I like about it. Nice sleeves. It looks like it'll be really comfy, but I'm just not sure if I need another gray sweater. Let's have a look at this cute little black shirt. I'm not sure about how see-through it is. That's not really something I'm comfortable wearing, but I guess maybe with the tank it would look okay. Love this little buttonhole in the front. That's an unusual thing for me to wear. And this lace on the sleeves is so pretty. It goes all the way around the back there. I really, really like that. I actually like this shirt quite a bit. It's a little bit shorter in length than I usually wear though. A light colored denim shirt, which I actually need a new denim shirt, but I'm not sure if this is the one for me. I love, love, love the color, but these bell sleeves just don't work for me. I've got tiny little infant arms, and bell sleeves go way down over my hands, and they get on everything. Oh, the color of this shirt is gorgeous. It's a reddish pink, and I really love the color. And the print is really cute too, but again, it's completely see-through, and I just never can figure out what to put on under these kinds of see-through shirts. Moving on to the pants, these are just a pair of black denim. They seem to be kind of stretchy, but I don't really need another pair of black pants. Blue jeans here. These are super cute. They're acid washed and I love the color so much. They look like they're supposed to be, kind of pedal pushers. I don't know what you people call them, but we always call them pedal pushers. But on me with my infant legs, they won't be. This is a leather jacket. Well, it's not leather, it's pleather, a pleather jacket. And it's got fake suede there, so it's leather and suede is supposed to be the look. But the collar's kind of strange for me, so I'm not too sure how I like this. I do love the little zipper right there. There you go. That was my Wantable boxing. I am surprised with how much stuff they put into the box. I didn't realize they gave you so many options. A few cute things, a few things I'm unsure of, but really it all comes down to what do you think? Should I keep it? Should I get rid of it? What did you like? What didn't you like? You got to be sure and tell me in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe because I've got a Stitch Fix coming up and I think I'll give Wantable another few months and you won't want to miss it. Be sure and click the little bell icon to get notified. And I will see you later. Have a great day.